Sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Anthony John na naririto ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa Kanya ng iyong sarili bilang Kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Father.
Nakalaan ka bang balikatin sa piling niya ang pananagutan ng buhay mag-asawa?
Opo, Father.
Halata. Anthony John,
Opo.
You're a galaxy of stars beating on my heart. You're a lighthouse on the sea.
Mamaya na. Mamaya ka na, mamaya.
Kailangan ko ng isa pang apo. Maraming apo pala.
Sa'yo ko nagpano ng kasiyahan. Tawa lang tayo ng tawa, ba? Sobrang masaya ako kayo naging parents ko. Ay, wow. Love you!
I see you.
It's really amazing how God works. I still remember His words. When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen.
The way your body moves when you dance, it's like an ocean wave.
Naalala ko pa nun, grabe yung effort mo para lang magkita tayo kahit 2 beses sa isang buwan. Simula noon, mas lalo mo ako napaibig. Nakita ko sa'yo ang imahe ng isang lalaki. Gusto kong pakasalan o gusto kong makasama habang buhay.
I see you. You're a galaxy of stars beating on my heart. You're a lighthouse on the sea. Every note a symphony. You're the rising of the sky, bringing colors back to life. I see you. You'll never go unnoticed, 'cause you got my eyes in focus. If there's anything you know, I hope you.
buo na ba ang inyong loob? Sure na? Wala na atrasan. Anthony John, you may now kiss Ruby Rose.
Yan yung ngiting gusto kong makita hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Ruby Rose Garcia Rodriguez, mahal na mahal kita higit pa sa sarili ko. Mas mahal pa nga kita kaysa sa mga buhok ko eh. Wala, ito yung gusto kong baga.
Siyempre, pack safe yan eh.
Wow, thank you.
Welcome, I love you.
Yeah.
Wow, bag din. Ang ganda.
God is kissing you with love sa harapan ng Diyos ng kanyang sambayanan. Be firm that your yes to God and to one another will remain yes until the end.
Thank you for loving my funny, crazy, loud, rock and roll, kikay, childish side. May takbuhan pag hindi ko kayang buksan yung palaman. My love, my life. Jo, I vow to continue to challenge you to be the best version of yourself.
Masihigpitan ko pang paghawak sa kamay mo. Through ups and downs nandito lang ako palagi sa'yo. I love you always and always.
Ah, love you too.
Walang hanggang pagmamahal pa'y halik at yakap mula kay Anjo mo. I love you.
Love you too.
Forget everything. It's a magnificent life we're living. It's a magnificent life. It's a magnificent life we're living. It's a magnificent life.
tagumpay, kahit anong lungkot mo, pilit kong papalitan ng ngiti at tuwa. Hindi magsasawang sabihan ka ng mahal na mahal kita bago ako lumabas ng pintuan ng bahay.
I thank God that I am yours and you're mine. I love you so much, Jo.
Wow.
Love, Pipay.
I love you.
Magnificent life.